Hi there. So we are done with the body work today, and now it's the time for the mind work. And as I told you, I'm going to work on Java programming for the next 1 or 2 weeks. I'm gonna share what I'm learning on my way to give you the idea for those who are interested in it, to get some points and start working on it. But for myself, it's not something that I want to become a master of it. I want to learn some basic from it that I need to for my goal. And as I have just like 1 or 2 weeks, so we're gonna like work on learning the basics in I think around 10 days, because after that I have a flight to Istanbul on business, and also my next semester is gonna start. So maybe I have to work on learning on other things which are related to my courses. But we have like 10 days, so we're gonna learn some basics in these 10 days. Let's check it out.
So there we go. The first question that I asked is we should see now what we're working on. What is Java programming? As I said, Java is a high-level object-oriented programming language that is first released in 1995 and it's widely used in different fields like developing applications, platforms, mobiles, embedded systems, desktops, and there are various type of usability for Java programming, and there are it has a lot of good features which make it very powerful. But the main feature of Java programming, I would say, is the security feature, which makes it much more secure for those who want to use it for their own purposes. So the second question is what are the applications and opportunities for Java programmers to work and start their own business? There are like lots of fields that people can work on it, like enterprise software development, web development, mobile applications, game development, financial technology. So there are different and various type of fields that you can use Java programming. If you learn it, you can just find with a field that you're interested in working on it and start learning Java from basic and then become a master of it. So there are lots of wide range of fields that you can work on it. And the last question to ask here now is what is the steps to learn Java programming? There are like basic steps, step by step actually program that you work on it to learn it. First of all, you have to understand the basic, which we are working on it already, to learn the basics. And the next step is learn the Java syntax. I'm gonna share some of it with you, and you can learn more on it. And after that, you can start practice coding, practice to use those syntax. After the syntax, it's a time to learn the libraries. Libraries are the main things in the Java programming that you use them as a tool to write your code much faster. And there are like pre-made actually codes that you use them, and after that you build projects. So after the making library, it's time to build a project, and you can join a community, those who are programmers, and you can practice with them and the projects, work with them on the project. And the last step after this main 6 step is like practice, which is the main step to become a master of it.
So guys, it was just 3 main questions. You should know what are we working on, then what are the applications of that thing, and the last thing is how to start working on it. What are the steps that you need to take? So become a developer is not something that I'm really interested in, but I'm going to share the idea with you for those who want to have the idea, has the interest in it, to start and see the future a little bit with these questions and this stuff. Then they can start working on it if they are interested in that field.